How to Avoid Crypto Scams, Beginner Guide 2025. Let's face it, crypto is full of opportunity, but it's also full of traps. For every great project, there are dozens of scams trying to take your money. And they're not always obvious. Some look professional. Some sound convincing. Some even pretend to be helpful. That's why in this video, we'll show you how to spot and avoid the most common crypto scams so you can protect your money and peace of mind. But first, here's your required reminder: crypto assets are high risk and not regulated in the UK. You could lose all the money you invest. There is no consumer protection. This content is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now let's get into it. The most common scam is the get-rich-quick promise. It often comes as a message, an ad, or a Telegram invite claiming things like double your money in 24 hours. Guaranteed 10x with zero risk. Just send Bitcoin to this address, and we'll send you back more. These are 100% scams. Every time. In crypto, if it sounds too good to be true, it definitely is. Next up is the fake giveaway scam. This one looks polished. You'll see it on YouTube, X, or even fake websites that mimic real crypto brands. It usually shows a video of someone famous, like Elon Musk, saying he's giving away crypto. But when you click the link, it asks you to send tokens first. You'll never get anything back. Real giveaways never ask you to send money. Another trap is the fake wallet or app download. Scammers create lookalike apps that resemble real wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Phantom. You download it, set it up, and when you enter your seed phrase, they steal it instantly. To avoid this, always use official app stores and double-check the developer name. Better yet, download wallet apps directly from the project's official website. Then there's the phishing scam. You might get an email, text, or pop-up saying your wallet is compromised and you need to click a link to fix it. Or it might claim to be from support asking for your recovery phrase. Legit companies will never ask for your private keys. Ever. Ignore the message. Delete the email. If you're unsure, go directly to the website, never use a link sent to you. Let's talk about pump and dump schemes. These scams involve Telegram groups or influencer tweets hyping up a low-volume coin. Everyone rushes in, the price spikes, then the insiders sell everything. The price crashes, and retail investors lose it all. If a token is surging for no reason, and everyone is yelling by now, stop and think. Real projects don't rely on hype. They build value over time. Watch out for rug pulls in DeFi. This happens when a new project launches a token, people buy in, and then, suddenly, the developers disappear with the funds. You're left with a worthless coin and no one to contact. To protect yourself, check if the project's smart contracts are audited, the team is public, and there's real liquidity backing the token. If everything is anonymous and the launch feels rushed, walk away. Another sneaky scam is the fake support agent. You ask a question in Discord or Telegram, and someone DMs you pretending to help. They'll send a link or ask for your wallet details. Real support teams never message you first. Never give info to someone who DMs you out of the blue. And never click random links, they could drain your wallet. Some scams target your browser with malicious pop-ups. You visit a crypto site, and a fake MetaMask window appears asking for permission. It looks legit, but it's stealing your data. Use browser extensions like WalletGuard and make sure your wallet only connects to trusted dApps. You can also bookmark real sites to avoid typos that lead to fake versions. Then there are celebrity scam tokens. These are coins launched under famous names like athletes, influencers, or actors. They get hyped online, pumped quickly, and then dumped. Most of these celebrities aren't even involved, their names are just used for marketing. Don't invest in tokens just because they're trending. Ask yourself, what does this coin actually do? Let's not forget about airdrops with a catch. Some fake projects say you've received free tokens, but to claim them, you have to connect your wallet or pay a small gas fee. When you connect, they drain your wallet. To stay safe, use a burner wallet for testing new platforms. And never approve token transfers unless you trust the site 100%. Even hardware wallets aren't immune. Scammers sell fake Ledger or Trezor devices preloaded with malware. When you plug it in and enter your seed phrase, they steal it. Only buy wallets from official sites. Don't trust resellers, especially on marketplaces like eBay or AliExpress. This is your vault. Treat it with care. Another red flag is projects that push you to invest fast. They might say there's only a few hours left, or that this is your last chance to get in early. Scammers use pressure tactics to make you act emotionally. Don't rush. Take your time. Do your research. And if it's legit, it'll still be around tomorrow. Now let's talk about social engineering. This is when someone builds a fake relationship with you, just to scam you later. They might pose as a crypto mentor, coach, or community friend. They gain your trust, then ask you to try this platform or let them help with setup. They may even video chat or speak politely. But it ends the same way, with them stealing your funds. In crypto, trust is earned slowly. Never share access, even with someone friendly. Some scams come through fake job offers or freelance gigs. You get offered remote work, and the employer pays you in crypto. Then they say you need to unlock the payment by sending funds or verifying your wallet. It's a trap. Real jobs don't ask you to pay to get paid. If something feels off, pause and verify it. Now let's talk about fake tokens on real platforms. Even big sites like Uniswap or PancakeSwap allow anyone to list a token. Scammers often create lookalike versions of popular coins with nearly identical names or logos. Always double-check the token's contract address. Use verified sources like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap before buying. One wrong click, and you could buy a scam token with zero value. Crypto scams are evolving fast. Some are simple. Some are sophisticated. But they all rely on emotion, greed, fear, or urgency. The best defense is education. Understand how your wallet works. Know your tools. Be skeptical of shortcuts. And never, ever share your seed phrase. Not with anyone. Not for any reason. Let's recap the most important tips. Don't trust unsolicited messages. Don't click unknown links. Don't chase hype. Use official apps. Verify addresses. Take your time. Keep your recovery phrase offline and secure. And always double-check before you approve anything on-chain. Thanks for watching CryptoPulse. We hope this video helps you stay one step ahead of scammers. If it did, hit like, share it with your crypto friends, and subscribe for more honest, clear crypto education. We simplify crypto so you can invest with confidence.